Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Zepp app. First, locate the Zepp application in your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Download and install it, ensuring your operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Once installed, tap the app icon to open it and begin your registration journey. This initial step is crucial for setting up your personalized health and fitness tracking experience. Next, you'll create your personal Zepp account. You can register using your email address or a phone number. Carefully enter your chosen details and create a strong, unique password to protect your information. Remember to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. This ensures you understand how your data will be used and helps maintain the security of your account. Now, it's time to personalize your profile for accurate tracking. Input essential personal information like your gender, height in centimeters or inches, and weight in kilograms or pounds. You can also set your daily activity goals, such as 10,000 steps, and other preferences. If you have a compatible Zepp device, connect it now to sync your data seamlessly. This step tailors the app to your unique health journey. Finally, with your account set up, you're ready to explore the Zepp app's extensive features. Discover various health and fitness tracking options, from heart rate monitoring to sleep analysis. Engage with community functions, participate in challenges, and track your progress over time. The Zepp app offers over 100 different sports modes to support your active lifestyle. Start your journey towards a healthier, more informed you today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.